So we're staying at the Radisson Blu Edwardian New Providence Wharf here in London. It's a little bit out of central London, more towards like Stratford, Poplar and Canary Wharf. This is a Riverview Deluxe King Room. So the view is of the O2 Arena. I don't really think you can see much more of London. It's all kind of on the other side, although there's big blocks of flats on the other side. So that's the view. You've got your king size bed, lovely pieces of art everywhere. You have your TV, your phone, Bose sound system. Mini bar is in one of these. Yeah, expensive mini bar. How do you open this? This mini bar. And the best bit that we love, here is a cupboard, iron board, trouser press, hairdryer.
You're missing the best bit, Georgie.
What best bit?
It lights up when you open it.
Oh, yeah, but that's...
No.
It's lit up now though.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
Pretend it's off and...
Oh.
Yeah. Bathroom though. We love the bathroom. So you have your dressing gowns, extra pillows, slippers, lovely weighing scales, which no one uses.
Just what you want.
Yeah, some hangers. I like the sink and this massive mirror. A bidet, toilet, a walk-in shower. Love the shower. I forgot about that shower. And your bathtub. And obviously if you open it up, the only problem with the way that this bedroom is facing is instead of looking at the O2 Arena, you've got this, what looks like a server facility. Should be having your bath and they'll be standing there waiting for their lift. But I always close this one. So yeah, this cost us £239 a night, including breakfast, which you can have in the room. Car parking was £18 valet parking, and what else did we pay for? I think that was it, so it came to £257. Also got £15 free credit to use either in the restaurant or the bar or room service, but not on the minibar. A couple of snacks to bite on while we're sitting down in the bar. Jan's ordered a Diet Coke, I've got a Magners, and we've got some mini Yorkshire puddings. They were £9, 3 mini Yorkshire puddings with roast beef and horseradish, and some chips, £3. So we are in the bar, Scoff and Banter. It's quite a nice bar. So breakfast has arrived, yay! We've got 2 full English breakfasts and some cereal. I don't know what Dan's doing there.
That's milk in a teapot.
Milk in a teapot. But we've got loads of milk here as well. I don't know. So yeah, this is breakfast included in the room price. Ignore the fact of how much sauce you've got. I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, hit that thumbs up. And if you like any of our videos, subscribe if you can. See you later.